This is Bill from Social Realty. Today we are out at 19544 Pleasant View in beautiful Lake Ann, and we have got a very nice rental property for you. It is literally tucked into the woods. There's approximately 2.5 acres to this property, big ravine down in the back. Lake Ann is right through those trees there. So, master bedroom actually has a view of the lake when the leaves fall off. I'll show you when I go downstairs. This has a 2-car attached garage and a full pole barn comes with it, which obviously not a lot of properties have. This will be ready for a first of the month move-in. We're actually bringing this one to you a bit early because we know there's not a whole lot of options out there right now. Housing is scarce, and this is going to be a very nice property. All right, so go inside, you'll see everything is new. We have this beautiful laminate flooring throughout the main living areas, huge living room, more than enough space for your dining. Master bedroom, brand new carpet, brand new paint, vinyl replacement windows, and your private master bathroom, which features both a stand-up and a jacuzzi tub. And then for a little privacy, you have a commode around the corner, brand new vanity. So we go back, you'll find a brand new kitchen. Dishwasher is being installed right now, and I suspect the fridge will be here in about a week. Large pantry, all new cabinetry, butcher block counters, giant stainless sink. And when you're doing the dishes, it's not too bad of a view out your windows. Then we go into bedroom number 2. Again, great views. Into bedroom number 3. And then, so you don't have to share a bathroom, we have brand new vanity, brand new tub, new toilet. Laundry goes right here, so we have first floor laundry. And then as you come around the back, we have this large family room. And then there's more. We can go downstairs. This goes outside to the pole barn. And then you have bedroom number 4. And as we go around the basement, we've got all new mechanicals, new hot water tank, new furnace, high efficiency. It is on natural gas, not propane. And then we're just calling this a bonus room because it does have the plumbing that runs through it, but it's got a brand new ceiling and could easily be a 5th bedroom. It does have a full closet, and again, wood views. And then as you go out the back, we've got our oversized 2-car garage. It's about 6 feet deeper than a normal 2-car garage. Let's get this open. Which then leads out to a second driveway and a pole barn. And then, like I said, you have all of this unspoiled woods behind you. It's a great location. If you'd like to see this, make sure to go to our website, schedule a showing. Application fee is $40. If you bring your paycheck stubs with you, all the better. We can process you quite quickly. And this is going to be ready for, like I said, first of the month move-in. If you have any questions, just let us know, and we look forward to speaking with you.